Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in maths, we are solving the problems of 17th block, which is introduction to area. And yesterday, we have learned the concept of area, isn't it, children? So, today, in the second topic, we are going to learn to find the area of irregular shapes. Okay, so let's start. So find the area. So for any irregular shape, children, that irregular shape should be kept on a square grid. Okay, should be placed on the square grid like this. So this is a shape which has been given, which is look like a steps, isn't it, children? So this like this and this and this. So it looks like a steps, isn't it, children? So and it is already kept on a square grid. So whenever we are having a irregular shape, after placing it on the square grid, you have to count the number of squares in the in that shape. Okay, complete squares. So here this is a complete square, this is also a complete square, this is also a complete square, complete square, complete square, complete square. But how many squares do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares. So the area of this irregular shape is 6 square centimeters. Okay. Square centimeters are the units of area. Like for length, you have centimeters, meters, kilometers, isn't it, children? And for perimeter also, you have centimeters, meters, kilometers. And for area also, you have centimeters, meters and kilometers, but you have to mention square centimeter. Okay, square meters, square kilometers. Okay, children. So for this, the area is 6 square centimeters. Okay, let's see the next one. So this is also placed on the square grid. Count all the squares which are full. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 squares you have. That means 8 square centimeters. Okay, we are not mentioning square because we have kept the shape on the square grid, but the unit of the area is square units, square centimeters or square meters or square kilometers. Okay, children, don't get confused. Yes, next. Oh, next here you have a shape where you have two squares which are not completely in the shape, isn't it, children? So this is not completely and this is also not completely. So at this time, what you have to do is, if the given shape is covering one complete square on the square grid, we are counting as one, isn't it, children? But if it occupies more than half like this, so this here, this square is more than half. So if it is more than half also, you will count it as 1. Okay, if it is less than half, then you will leave that square. So here this one is less than half of the square, isn't it? So that you will remove it. If it is exactly half, then you will take it as half. Okay, children. So here you have 1, 2. This is more than half, so you will take it as 1. So it is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means the area of this shape is 6 square centimeters. Okay, we are leaving this part because it is less than half. If it is half, you can write 6.5 square centimeters, but it is not even half, so you will leave it. If it is more than half, then you will take it as 1 only, complete 1. If it is half, you will take it as half. If it is less than half, you will ignore it. Okay, let's see the next one. So here also you have more than half and less than half, isn't it, children? So this is less than half, this is also less than half, and this is also, that is sorry, this one and this one and this one, these are all less than half, so you will not going to count them. This one, this is square, this is square, less than half it is, and here these tiny triangles here. Okay, you will ignore all those because they are less than half. So this is more than half, so you will take it 1, 1, 2. So 1 and 1, 2 it becomes, this becomes 3, this becomes 4, 5 and 6, isn't it, children? So this you will ignore because it is less than half. Okay, and this also you will ignore because it is less than half. This also you will ignore because it is less than half. So how many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 you got. So you will write 6 square centimeters. Okay, children. So in this way, you need to calculate count the number of squares for any given irregular shape on the square grid. Okay, children. So do this in your classwork book. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book 3, page number 6, S2, area of irregular shapes. Okay, so in the next class, I'll meet you with the next topic, children. See you in the next class. Bye.